You're watching Two for the Road.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
And in this episode, we're at Lake Louisa State Park, located in Clearmont, Florida. We have reserved site number 11. And as you can see, it is a very nice, semi-shaded, very clean campsite. And right after we got the camper set up, we decided to jump on the bikes and take off and see what we could see on some of these trails and see where they lead. So Lake Louisa State Park has 4 lakes on its premises. It's Hammond Lake, Dixie Lake, Bear Lake, and the largest lake, Lake Louisa. And the activities include with these lakes fishing, kayaking, canoeing, and even a beach for swimming. After pedaling several miles, we found ourselves all the way in the back of the park, and we found the equestrian campground where you can bring your horses and camp at the same time.
And here's a view of the beach and Lake Louisa. The beach also has a nice changing room and restroom area for your convenience. They also offer guided horse rides at the hitching post at a nominal fee. This is one of 2 fishing piers located at Hammond Lake and Dixie Lake.
Alright, time to take a look at a few of the campsites of this park so you know what to expect when you come here. The park has 3 camping loops, and there are a total of 60 campsites to choose from. The campsites range from semi-shade to full shade. Looking to do some hiking at this park? Well, this park has 9 trails to hike, and they range from 1 mile all the way up to 3.5 miles. The park also has 6 glamping tents that you can choose from. And also on the far side of Dixie Lake, you have a total of 20 cabins that you can choose from with a great view of Dixie Lake. Looking for something to do outside the park? Well, just a few miles down the street, there's a really cool Florida roadside attraction you can visit. Showcase of Citrus, a place of exotic animals, great food, and even monster truck safari ride.
We brought our grandson here over 8 years ago. Here's some time-lapse pictures from then and now. And here's just a few of some of the exotic animals that you can feed.
Hi. Were you touching out that camera? Oh, he's trying to bite it. Hi. Hi. Oh, you like love. He likes love. Look at this. Look at those teethers. Woo. Look. Look and see his lip. He wants to see the camera. Oh, no, you can't eat the camera. No, no eating.
And a must try, their famous creamsicle. And their gift store had over 60 novelty soda types to purchase. So we went ahead and got a few. Stay tuned for later in the video to see the taste testing. And the main attraction, the Monster Bus Safari Ride.
Oh, he might like that.
As I come down, just take one of these each, guys, and I'll get Alright, as I come down, I'll go left or right on the way down. So I'll tell you.
Okay, while we were at Showcase of Citrus today, we decided to buy some exotic sodas, and there's some really weird flavors. So we're going to start off with Tammy chose first. We're all going to taste it, and you'll see what our reactions are. Then we'll move on to Aiden's choice and then my choice.
Okay, what was the flavor you chose?
Diet Chair Wine.
Diet Cheer Wine. All right, we already poured a little bit in each cup. You go ahead and taste it first. You. Okay. And yeah, no.
No.
Not bad.
It does taste like cinnamon.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what was the flavor you chose?
I got Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, and
Tastes like Coke.
tastes like Coke. All right.
It tastes like Coca.
Okay, Coca-Cola. Here we go. Yeah, like
Like an RC.
like RC or something.
Okay, so Joe, what kind did you get?
All right, so I picked the weirdest flavor of everybody. I did bacon soda. And just to let everybody know, there must have been like 50 different flavors out there, and some of them were just like crazy, like cucumber, pickle. There was some mustard. It was just nuts. Anyway, so here we go with the bacon soda. That is freaking awful.
You already said it was gross. So. Oh my god.
Well,
Tastes like salad.
like a salad.
So here's another thing that we bought that Aiden wanted to try out.
Is like a beef jerky, but this happens to be kangaroo meat. So we're gonna see what that's all about.
Okay, here we go.
Kangaroo meat. Well, look at
Tastes
that.
like regular beef jerky.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm a little skeptical. Here's my little piece. Here we go.
Poor Chewy.
Just don't think about what you eat.
The flavor is actually really good. It's smoked really nice. But probably make me sick to my stomach because usually things like this get in my head and start messing with me. I'll probably be, I don't know, later. Anyway, not bad. Thumbs up. There you have it. A great time at Lake Louisa State Park and the Citrus Showcase Side Road attraction. We hope you enjoyed the video. You should consider subscribing to our channel. You never know. We may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.